training, the quality, the speed of what we're able to do is absolutely world-class when it comes to the tradesmen and women here in Chicago. A lot of things happening right now on site. Terracotta replacement on the facade, new windows going in on the exterior. The new roof is going on.
This is the progress you're really going to see and notice. From studs and door frames to walls that get painted and carpet.
This building was out of service for over 10 years. Really, the building had been left to die. When we put up our construction fences and started this project, you could just feel the life coming back into this neighborhood. People drive by, they're looking at the building. It's a night and day difference of the feel in the neighborhood. To renovate a building like this is really to touch a part of history that is vital to the city of Chicago's history.